Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am breaking down how you can start your business in just 7 days, even if you don't have any money to start with. Yeah, you heard that right. Whether you are looking to start a side hustle, a full blown business, or just test out an idea, this step by step plan will get you there fast. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more business building tips every week. Now, let's get right into it. Okay, day one is all about getting crystal clear on your business idea. This doesn't mean you need to know every single detail, it just means defining what problem you're solving and who you are helping. Ask yourself what gap I'm filling. Who are my ideal customers? What do I want to be known for? Tips. Number one, write down your ideas in a notebook or a Google Doc. It could be as simple as I want to sell affordable meal preparation kits for busy students, or I am launching a virtual tutoring service for kids struggling with maths. Think about what sets you apart. Maybe it's your unique skill set or style, or a unique twist you can add. Remember, it is a unique twist that will make people remember you. For instance, if you are starting a fitness coaching business, maybe your niche could be people with super busy schedules like 10 minutes workout routines or meal planning tips that only take 5 minutes to follow. Once you have got your idea outlined, drop it in the comments below. Now that you have your idea, it's time to do some quick and dirty research on day 2. Don't worry, it doesn't mean hours in a library or paying for fancy softwares. We are talking about getting a pulse on what's out there and what people want. Few steps. Number one, start with Google and social media. Look up for similar businesses or services. What they are doing right. What are people saying in reviews or comments? Step 2, check out Facebook group, Reddit communities and Twitter threads to see what people in your niche are talking about, what problems they are facing and where they feel current options fall short. Step number 3, search for keyword related to your idea. Use Google Trends or Uber Suggest to see if there is a demand for what you are planning. Say you are planning to sell eco-friendly products for a home. Head to eco-friendly forums or Instagram accounts. Notice what products people are already using, what complaints they have, and what is missing in the market. Day 3, we are getting a bit more serious and putting things into the paper. But don't worry, this is not a giant business plan. It's a simple one-page outline that is going to guide you forward. It's like your roadmap for a few next weeks. Step 1, objective. What is your main goal with this? Example, to provide affordable graphic design services to small services. Second, target audience, who you are selling to. Be as specific as possible. Number 3, offer. What products or service are you providing? Number 4, revenue streams. How will you make money? Direct sales, subscription model, and ad revenue, right? Number 5, marketing plan. How will you reach people? This could be social media, email marketing, word of mouth, etc. For instance, if you're offering virtual tutoring, your plan might look like objective to help high school students succeed in maths, target audience, high school students and their parents. And what is offer? Personalized online tutoring sessions. Revenue, hourly rates. Marketing through local Facebook groups, Instagram, and direct outreach to schools. If this sounds like something you would like me to break down more, let me know in the comments. Alright, day 4 is exciting because we are taking your business online. And the best part, you can do this totally free. Just follow these steps. Number 1, create social media profiles. Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook are great starting points. Choose platforms where your audience hangs out. Step number 2, design a basic logo. Use free tools like Canva to create a logo in minutes. It doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs to look professional. Step number 3, step up a simple website. If you want, you can use free website builders like Wix or WordPress. If that is too much, focus on social profiles instead. For instance, if you are starting a candle making business, you could create an Instagram profile, add some high quality videos of your products, and write captions that tell your brand's story. This alone can start generating interest. Day 5 is all about making an offer your audience can't resist. Even if you are starting with zero budget, a strong offer can make your business hard to ignore. Create discount, a free sample, or an enticing first time purchase deal. This could be a one buy one get one deal, a free consultation, or a discount on their first order. Make sure this offer is aligned with what people actually want. Remember your day 2 research. Use what you already learned to make sure this offer speaks directly to your audience needs. For example, let's say you are a photographer just starting out. You could offer a free mini photo shoot to your first 5 clients, right? And let them share the results on their social media, tagging you. This gives you exposure and valuable testimonials also. On day 6, you're going to start putting your business idea out there. The goal here is to attract your first customer, even if it is just friends and family. Now, what are the steps? Number 1, create promotional posts. Use Canva to design simple graphics, highlight your offer, and explain what makes your product unique. Step number 2, go live or record videos. People love to connect with a real person behind a brand. So use live video on Instagram or Facebook to introduce your business. Step number 3, engage with your audience. Comment on relevant topics, join conversations, and start making connections that could turn into future customers. Imagine you are launching a skincare line. Post before and after photos, skincare tips, and testimonials. Then go live to answer questions about your product and share the story behind why you started your brand. Finally, day 7 is about action. You have put in the work and now it's time to make that first sale. This is a big milestone. After all, once you have made one sale, you can make many more. Right? What are the steps? Number 1, reach out directly to friends, families, or anyone who already shown interest and offer them a special deal. People who know you are often willing to support your first steps. Step number 2, leverage social proof. If someone has already bought and used your product, ask them to post about it or leave a quick review. Step number 3, consider a quick follow-up campaign. Send a friendly reminder about your offer through your social media or even direct messages. For instance, if you're starting a subscription box service, reach out to your social media followers or email list, reminding them of your first time customer discount and limited availability for the first box. All right, let's do a quick recap. Here is your 7-day launch roadmap. Number 1, define your business idea. Nail down your problem and solution. Day 2, research your market. Find out what your competitors are doing and where you fit in. Day 3, create a one-page business plan. Map out your key points from goals to marketing. Day 4, set up your online presence. Get on social media and maybe a website. Day 5, develop your offer. Make an irresistible deal to attract customers. Day 6, launch a simple marketing campaign. Start spreading the word. Day 7, make your first sale. Close the deal and celebrate your progress. There you go. In just 7 days, you can go from idea to having your very own business with customers. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. I would love to hear where you are at in your journey. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to build your dream business from scratch. Let's make those dreams a reality.